How to fix Windows stuck on diagnosing your PC problem. So if you're facing a problem of stuck on diagnosing your PC, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. First is you need to perform a hard reboot. To do this, you need to simply remove the battery and AC adapter and press and hold the power button for 20 seconds and see if it boots up normally. If this method doesn't work, then you can go with the second, which is boot into safe mode. So to open up your safe mode, you need to turn off your computer and download Windows Media Creation Tool on a working computer to create a bootable media like a bootable USB disk. Insert the bootable media into your PC and boot from it. When prompted to press any key to boot from CD or DVD, you need to press any key to continue. And after that, you just need to simply select the language in the Windows Setup interface and click on the next button to continue. And after that, click on Repair Your Computer option, which will be on the bottom left. And you need to simply select the Troubleshoot option. Under Troubleshoot, you need to go with the Advanced options and then go with Startup Settings. And under Startup Settings, you need to simply select a restart. After restarting, the computer will show another screen that has different startup options. On your computer, you just need to simply press 4 or the F4 key to choose Enable Safe Mode option, or you can also choose the fifth option by pressing F5 or 5 on your computer. And after that, your PC or your computer will say preparing automatic repair, and it will run the antivirus software to scan and remove the virus. Or if that doesn't work, then you can go with a startup repair. So you just need to simply go with the bootable media, insert bootable media, select the language preferences as you've done earlier, and then tap on next. And you need to go with repair your computer. And under that, you just need to simply go with the troubleshoot, advanced options, and startup repair, and wait for the repair to complete. After that, you just need to simply open up your computer and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Windows stuck on diagnosing your PC problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.